kiir mayardit, President dung South Sudan, take a longo dara current work on temporary which ka South Sudan dara capture. Jen take a longo dara South Sudan, dara jenongmal, ki dara remnrika. Maybe a link jaraja me a tar down in time gigeno South Sudan where re kur mudong chablonka capture. Gor jeno bejen waka yakel ko do dan en chano ngaje ken yam cha janga jeno ci jiwen ci ken gor no be ken ne ken dial ken ko wure wi ke juba ka so Sudan ka ku kur dan bi ken obi tok dal ni rin wana longa ta dan en dong to kume je ka jen gwasame men ban gu gwasame ala so Sudan shungu wi yer lo ci tiangno be ka pen rei pol ko mu to tamre wi ka South Sudan che to ko chirek tung wan chi ka winat chicken ka kum ka ta dana den waru den ka ja ka kiir mayardit kana Dr. Yung Machar tele mugwa mi sha ne jek kam dien mi de ka mal de kan non ka ja man bonten ko kena content tintere wi ka South Sudan ko bon ke partner kontre wi ka South Sudan ngode telem lat kana you know President Salva Kiir jaram nana tika long ma tika power ajen mandan nge tin jeg di ala kon lat ko din rewi ka South Sudan ko jaram dan tika national security jaram dan tika din din jen SSPDF jubu manan ke liwo kan jen chi ko paida you mite mala roda jen ngaje mon go na me de ja kap chongode ke de na wode so the only person me de je stop the power there je use lo da na as der ka changa gwa ke power there je use lo da na da ka changa je chigamle ro da tamere yu ka South Sudan ke jen gwa same eno be aswele mayo be ka target ke be Nuer be ka target godni kon tikitin you know na me nyu de gwa no longa da na te je use je che use gwa jen ku ila ne na tama ji UN chigne ken chicken ko do no jana re wich chikari por mo chicken to borodi no mnongo de na la tok de na gwich ka do dan de na onyam ko ja ko jen en South Sudan ngode jen wiji chwal ka younger nation ke wiji na ko ni jen wi mon cherik tingwana long chagalet kaneka ne re ko ondin cheng re wi ka South Sudan choje di de me economic che jek jot nakana kurni changre wi ka South Sudan tel mu lorode ka kiir mayardit te kwer kam tel mi shirode ne lot rundang wel raw ke run wel kel te nare kur mu bech ka ngoda ba tel mi chan la de kiir mayardit me de gujen wo chamal mo che jeno ne ko gwade dane ba independent ba jegre wi ka South Sudan chane ko chikondi al ngaje no South Sudan jene jen kano Sudan me cha referendum me cha jalat CPA me cha la no bnad bu chon karo dien chuna kwan 99% chi ko kwan no South Sudan bu chon karo de ano ko kor ko me dane shi Dr. John Garang da mabir shaliu helicopter shukir miyadi chu dor chu gal men me chaje jago be chumnial jala kwero ke 2013 ne bukur bukulo tok chagu jeno poinde de queen kwar de jalat chu lok gen kul te galia dir mon me che lok no ba queen kwar ba lat me che rema cha cho bro do chunga ne ko ken chugu jeno jen be fail so fear of losing power chu ke jako be korbe je tore which ka South Sudan chan rajme chana jeling ka to English. South Sudan stands at a crossroad once again, facing political instability, ethnic tensions, and economic hardship. At the center of it all is President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the man who holds the power to either bring peace or exacerbate the challenges facing the nation. As the leader of the world's youngest country, his action and decision have far-reaching consequences for millions of South Sudanese citizens who long for stability and progress. Since South Sudan gained independence in 2011, Kiir Mayardit has remained at the helm, navigating the nation through civil wars, peace agreements, and political rivalries. However, his leadership has been marred by accusations of authoritarianism, corruption, and a failure to unite the deeply divided country. The 2013 civil war, which erupted between Kiir forces and those loyal to his former vice president, Dr. Riek Machar, led to untold suffering, displacing millions and plunging the country into a humanitarian crisis. Despite the signing of peace agreement, tensions remain high, with sporadic violence continuing in various parts of the country, like what is happening in Greater Upper Nile State, in western Barghazal, and in western Equatoria. Many South Sudanese believe that Kiir has the power to fully implement the peace deal and end political rivalries and curb ethnic violence, but there are growing concerns that his administration benefit from the status quo. As the head of the state, Kiir has the legal and political authority to implement decisive measures that would lead to lasting peace, but by enforcing existing peace agreements, promoting inclusive governance, and addressing corruption within the government, he could steer South Sudan toward stability. Furthermore, engaging in genuine dialogue with opposition leaders, community elders, and international mediators would help build trust and strengthen the nation's unity. Another crucial step is the reform of security institutions to ensure they serve all the citizens rather than acting as political tools. The disarmament of militias and the integration of former rebels into the national army would significantly reduce violence and enhance national security. Additionally, improving economic conditions through fair resource distribution and anti-corruption efforts would alleviate poverty and reduce conflict driven by the competition over resources. On the other hand, Kiir's continued consolidation of power and reluctance to implement critical reform. This could worsen the country's instability. A report of political repression, separation of dissent, and election delay raise concern that his government is more focused on maintaining control than on fostering democracy. If Kiir failed to address these issues, frustration among opposition groups and marginalized communities could escalate into renewed violence, like what is happening right now. Kiir already arrested more than 20 people from the opposition party, especially Maigo. Furthermore, the ongoing economic crisis, exacerbated by mismanagement and corruption, fueled resentment among the people. If the government continued to neglect the need of ordinary citizens while enriching a select few, the situation could deteriorate further, leading to mass protests or another cycle of armed conflict. Recent events have further heightened tension in Juba. President Kiir Mayardit has arrested 22 members of the opposition party led by Dr. Riek Machar. This move has sent shockwave through political circles and raised concern about the state of democracy and political freedom in South Sudan. With this arrest, uncertainty looms over the capital. What is next for Juba? Will this escalate tension or push for more negotiations? The coming day will determine whether this action fuel further instability or lead to new political maneuver. What is the way forward for South Sudan? President Salva Kiir Mayardit faces a critical choice: to be the leader who unites South Sudan and secure peaceful futures, or the one who presides over its continued fragmentation. The people of South Sudan deserve peace, development, and justice. It is time for Kiir Mayardit to rise to the occasion and use his power for the good of the nation. The world is watching, and history will judge his action. The path he chooses will determine the fate of South Sudan. Will he stop the crisis, or will he fuel it furthermore?